Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cancel a pending transfer on Coinbase in 2026. Made the transfer on Coinbase and now it's pending. Let's talk about whether you can cancel it or what you can do next. Now, listen to these instructions and these steps very carefully and make sure to follow them. Before you start, Coinbase is a secure online platform for buying, selling, transferring, and storing cryptocurrency. And if you want to join this platform, you're just gonna have to access the website coinbase.com, or you can download the app Coinbase via the Play Store or App Store on your mobile device, depending on which device you're using, either iOS or Android. They're both available. Now, once you access the website or you click on the app and access it, you're gonna click on sign in and make sure to enter your account. If you don't have an account already, you're gonna click on get started or sign up. Then you can start a new account. Once you finish setting up your account, you're gonna click on login. Now, after you log into the Coinbase app or the website, you're gonna go to assets, then click on transaction history. Now, once you're gonna click on the transactions history and tap the pending transfer, now check is a crypto send or a bank deposit / withdrawal. Now, unfortunately, crypto transfers cannot be cancelled once broadcast to the network. If it still says pending, it usually means it's just waiting for blockchain confirmations. For bank withdrawals or deposits, sometimes you may see a cancel option before processing starts. And if available, you're going to make sure to tap the cancel immediately. And you can also contact the support if needed. If there's no cancel button and you believe there's an issue, you can try contacting the support, and you're gonna have as soon as possible, and always double check the wallet addresses and the amounts before confirming. Cryptocurrency transactions are final. And that's how pending transfers work on Coinbase in 2026. And if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.